Hey guys, welcome back. Today it's got nice weather coming up this weekend. It's Friday afternoon. I've already made a reservation. I'm headed to the lake. Going to spend 2 days camping in the element. I thought I'd show you. I made some changes since last time I showed you camping in the element. I'm going to show you those changes as we pack up. So let's get started. Okay, I just carried all my stuff up from the basement and I eliminated one of my big tubs. I consolidated all my hammock camping stuff out, things that I'm not going to need. So I'll be at an electric site tonight. So it's going to change things up a little bit. Instead of the primitive camping, this one's going to be electric. So I'm going to show you how that works. Got all my stuff set out here in my tubs, and then the stuff for the kayaks are over there. I'm going to get it all loaded up here. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is I've got carpet put down here now, and I just keep that in there all the time. What that did was, well, one, it makes it a lot quieter going down the road. It doesn't echo as bad. It kind of absorbs some of the sound vibrations. And two, let me get rid of those little 1-inch yoga mats that I was using. So now I keep this down, and then I'll put my 3-inch mattress pad on top of that. And then so I've got loaded now what I call my pantry, and then next I'll put in my big tubs. The first one it's different stuff. It's the tent and then some bedding, just a few, there's a tablecloth, a few different things that I keep in there. This is my windshield cover sitting on top. And then I made, along with the windshield cover, I'll show you that later, but I made covers for all the windows that work out real well too. I'll show you that later. But next, I got another tub to put in there. And then this tub is more bedding. It's a fan, because like I said, we're going to have electricity. And there was something else in there I wanted to point out that I have now forgot. I know that seems like a lot of bedding, but you know, it's just when you get a good night's sleep, you just have a lot more fun, have a lot better time. Oh, it's the flannel thing that goes underneath the mattress, and then just a hammock to maybe sit in and swing at the camp. So what that does now, that gives me this space here, and I like to lay my paddles for my kayaks, my life jackets, things like that in this small space. And then now we got our 3-inch mattress. That's my clothes, my source of electricity. My cooler is going to go right here, and then I'll start putting in the miscellaneous things down the side, and that's it. I wish I'd give you time. It's probably about 5 minutes. Took me another 5 minutes to get things out of the basement. It's super quick and easy. Lots of reasons. I can go on and on about why I like to camp in the element, but now we'll finish putting these last few things in, and I'm going to put the bikes on the back, and we'll get it rolling. Okay, there's everything. I didn't put anything on top of the cooler because I still got to go to the grocery store, but you can kind of see it's pretty full. We're planning to have a pretty good weekend. I'll lock her up. There's the bikes, kayaks, just like that. So we'll now go get some groceries and head for the lake. All right, I made it to the campgrounds. Was not a fun trip. It was windy. I had to stop 3 times to check on the kayaks, but we made it. I stopped and had dinner in Whittington. If you've never eaten there, it's a place called Burton's. Pretty good food, and they're known for their pie. I brought 2 pieces of pie with me. So now I've been getting set up because it's starting to get kind of late. So I'll show you the changes I made in the setup. Okay, last time I had borrowed one of these mats. It was great big. I got a smaller one for Christmas from my mom, and I love that one. I've got everything set out here. I'll pick it all up later. But what I want to show you, I got the bed set up, is this here. It's like insulation bubble wrap, and it just feels, so it keeps it warmer when it's cold out. And I put it on all the windows, but it just makes you feel a little more secure. Yeah. Oh, other thing, I added this. Let me show you this. I added this little table, so in the morning I can make my coffee right there. When it's cold out, I don't have to get outside to make my coffee. I can just sit up and make my coffee right inside here. You see, I've got electricity running here. I got a little electric heater that I'll run in the morning. I can run a fan tonight. That's my little fan if I want to. It should be nice and cozy. So that's a few of my changes for now. Okay, and before I climb in the element for the night, this is the white pie. That's what it's called, white pie. I don't know what it is. I've never had it anywhere other than there. I think it's probably heavy whipping cream, vanilla, and powdered sugar. It's pretty simple, but it's really good. Don't know how to give you a taste of it, or I would. And then I also got this chocolate peanut butter. This looks like peanut butter pie. So I'm gonna enjoy some pie, and then I'm gonna climb in the element for the night. Okay, here it is, all set up. I got the little heater on just to knock the chill off. It got pretty chilly right before dark. I got the fan sitting up there on my little table. One other thing I wanted to show you, I got this little, it was like $1. It's an LED light, takes a battery, so I can just flip the switch and have light at night if I need it. It's just pretty comfortable, kind of like it. All right guys, this morning I slept really good last night. I want to show you my kitchen setup here. I've already got some bacon going. And the goal, I like to cook bacon when I'm camping if possible. I really like my little cooker I got there, but the goal is not to just have a enjoyable breakfast that lasts you through the day while you're playing, fishing, biking, whatever you're doing, but the goal, it should be to make the rest of the campground jealous. And I kind of achieved this here. I really like, I'm at Rend Lake, which is the second largest lake in the state of Illinois, Carlisle being the first. And they've got state lakes. This is an Army Corps of Engineers campground here. And I really like this one. I like the concrete tables. I like the concrete pads that you park on. I just like everything about it. But I got my cooker going. My bacon's in there going to town. This is my new cooler I got that I absolutely love. I got a bag of ice sitting on top of my groceries. And I put it in there about 4 o'clock yesterday, and it has almost hardly any of that ice has melted. And this is an igloo. I'll show you that in another video. We'll compare it to my old one. And then of course I got what I call my cupboard. So that's my breakfast started right there. There's what I got. I don't know. I think it's gonna be a good day. Okay guys, day 2 is going to start a whole lot like day 1. Had a really good day yesterday. I caught some good fish, enjoyed a good bike ride, but I've run out of gas. Yesterday I had to run to Walmart, and I seen a couple looking at this same cooker that I just love so much. It makes everything easier. It's actually easier to work with than the stove in my house. Problem is I only got one burner. That's not that big of a deal. Right now, what I've done is I just run out of gas. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the gas, because I picked one up yesterday. So I unlocked my gas because it just ran out. Open this. I'm going to try to do it with one hand. See this little spot right here? That's key. So all I got to do is lift this one up, take it out. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. And I was not prepared. And there we go. I got it off there. Now I'm going to put that notch right up under there. Let's see, how are we going to do this one-handed? Just like that. See, you got to get the nozzle. There we go. Not so easy one-handed, but it is easy enough you can do it. Then I just lock this in. Okay, that gives it the gas. I'm gonna turn this dial all the way until it clicks. And it's that easy. I'm right back to cooking. Okay guys, that's it for this one. Had a great trip, got to ride the bikes a lot, did a lot of fishing. It's always fun in the element. Hope you enjoyed the video, enjoyed the changes I've made. We got the whole place all cleaned up. You can never tell we were here. That's the goal, to have fun, leave no trace. As always, we thank you all for watching. We'll see you on the next one.